Ta-da!
And welcome to our new video that is about this magnificent scooter, the first one we ever tested.
The brand and model is...
You said Piaggio.
You could... Yeah, that's correct. Piaggio MP3 530 exclusive Ultra Pro Turbo everything. 3 wheels. You can ride it with a B license. You don't need to have a motorcycle license. It has cruise control. It has the scanner, the radar that is gonna tell you if anything is coming to you close. Everything is over here screaming that you paid lots of money for it. But how does it feel during the ride?
Nice. The problematic part is, you know, the start of the ride.
Don't say everything in beginning of the video. People will not watch us.
Listen, guys, it was really nice to test this one. First, I was very confused. Where are the feet things for me? And then Stefan said that they are here hidden.
Yep, it's like an airplane.
Look at this. And when it's like closed, it has this smooth look like some, you know, shark. Nice.
Because you pay the money, it needs to be smooth looking. Let's go. Sit on it, baby. With all due respect. Okay, perfect. Now, as you can see, we are now, how this bike's name is, exclusive. We are like executives. How do you feel over there?
Like a boss.
Not only that, you're looking so beautiful, and I like your new makeup trend. I think you should put it also for me, not only for the camera, but this is how it is, I guess.
You said for the video I need to look extra.
But for me, no.
For you, I'm always extra.
Doesn't matter, whatever brings money, baby. Yes, that's indeed correct. So, you see, I can even stand on this bike. There is no stands, no nothing. It's standing by itself. I hope I'm not gonna break this system, and I don't have money to pay it. But anyways, very comfortable. Tatiana, what would you say?
I also think it's very comfortable. I was expecting a little bit softer seat.
For real?
Yes.
You felt anything during the ride?
It's a good seat. I was just having different expectations.
You didn't feel uncomfortable on it?
No. You know, the different expectations do not equal disappointment.
Your legs position and there was no vibrations, anything?
During the ride, no. But
Okay.
when we are like standing in place, then I don't know what's happening with this scooter.
To be honest, like when you sit like this, like it puts you in some kind of city riding position. You're kind of putting yourself so tall and it's comfortable, but in order for me to have proper control over this bike, I think I was looking like this in the corners. I was going like this, pretty much bent over.
I didn't notice that. Maybe I was doing the same thing.
I was trying to put more pressure on the front wheels, you know, to have better control. Vibrations are second to none. The bike is vibrating itself. Like when you stopped on a stoplight, you will see everything is shaking like you're on a freza. Freza in Serbia is some kind of a tractor, yeah, that we use for agricultural stuff. As soon as you pull the throttle, these vibrations are much more smoother, gentle, and it's not bothering me. Maybe if I was going high speeds for a longer time, but I would make breaks. The windscreen is quite big, quite huge. And do you like the aesthetics of it?
Yes, I think it's, you know, proper scooter aesthetics.
Today there is lots of wind, so I had lots of wind blast in front, because over here it's shrinked in size, in width. Maybe I would put the bigger one, but for most use cases you want around the city, I would not change anything. I feel like this scooter...
But is it possible to go somewhere like longer trips with this one?
Yeah, it is. There is enough power. You have 530 cc's and it's really responsive. It has enough torque. How did you feel over there? I felt you needed to hold me, right?
Well, yes, when you gave a little bit more speed. But compared to the bikes that we were on previously, like I felt something here was more relaxed.
More relaxed?
Yes.
Can you pinpoint something? Like what would you say is contributing?
I don't know, I feel like it's more relaxed. Like
maybe
everything on this scooter is more relaxed.
Maybe this big seat...
Just chill.
I mean, you're a little bigger in size, so maybe this bigger seat is providing you this feeling.
Maybe, but also maybe the sound, because the sound for me was like, I don't know, the chain was a little bit loose or something.
The chain? There is no chain over here.
I know, it's just comparison to the sound I heard.
Okay. I thought I'm gonna make a new joke. Agility. Oh my God. People will say that I'm pushing you to work overtime or when you're sick, but you need to work when you're sick. I told you. We need to earn money.
24/7.
So, agility of this bike, Tatiana?
Nice. It was nicely. Like I didn't expect with the two wheels in front that it would go like this.
It has weight, but as soon as you start moving, it feels like MT-07 Yamaha.
So even I can ride this thing.
Yes, you can.
Nice.
It's very agile, very flickable, and these two wheels in front are giving you such a controlled feeling, let's say. They are not big in size, but they're not small as some other competitors, let's say. I felt very comfortable and confident in the corners.
This is how you manage everything in life.
That's how I won your heart, I guess.
My heart is won.
Is won or has been won.
You are winning it every day.
Oh my God, man, thank you. This boosts me, man. Okay, let's go now to the part of the brakes. Tatiana.
This is like, you talk about this, I will talk about suspension.
Okay, front one bites very soonish. Very good feedback, very good feeling. The rear one is like very soft and you need to pull it deeper and deeper until it starts biting, kind of strange. And you have this foot brake which is activating both of them. It's like when you want to give it even more pressure. When I was alone on the bike, I felt like for even more spirited riding, it's quite sufficient. So in terms of the braking, suspension, everything is like working nicely. But when we are together, I felt like I would like it to have more of it. Of course, I'm talking about when you need something sudden, if you're like riding a little bit more faster or quicker with two up. So what did you say about the suspension?
Like there is none. I didn't like it.
Like there is none. What is like on a bicycle?
Yes. Like I was like when there were some like this.
In its defense, first of all, okay, this is scooter and we are used to motorcycles. Second of all, we are living in niche and niche has lots of broken asphalt. So yeah, like what she says.
I mean, this wouldn't be a deal breaker for me because I would probably, go with the logic that this is a city scooter and, you just go from point A to point B. But we all know I am a spoiled girl and I am used to the comfort of good suspension. And this was a little bit disappointing for me. It's not the worst, but I didn't like it.
When I was alone, it was very sufficient. I didn't feel like, of course, when I'm comparing to the scooters, that I'm missing something. It was really compliant to the road. But when we are two up, you're immediately noticing difference. Not only, like I said, suspension, brakes, power, everything is, falling down by quite a few notches. Tatiana, the mirrors.
I mean, they're good mirrors, but when we're standing in place, like they do like this.
Like previous Harley Davidsons.
Yes.
Everything is shaking, man. Teeth are falling apart.
But when we are moving, they are perfect.
I said teeth or teeth. Doesn't matter, man. Sorry, my English is not
Just go
native, so
roll with it.
yeah, teeth or tooth or teeth is the same. So me as a rider, I'm seeing like quite a bit what's around. They are vibrating a little bit, but they didn't bother me much, honestly. The looks.
You know what? I need to go back to the seat topic because I forgot to mention these bars for holding. I think the seat is a little bit too wide for me. Like, I don't know.
Too wide for you? Did you become a little bit shrinked in your width?
No, I just think
Not enough
this is
padding?
a little bit too much. I think it's okay to, cut it a little bit like this.
Oh my God, this is the first time I'm hearing somebody saying something like this. Why would this bother you, man?
Well, I don't know. Like, I cannot grip you as much as I want to.
Uh-huh.
And then when you're giving some, gas, then I need to also count on my arms. And I'm used to, counting on my legs.
Squeezing my
most.
abs.
And then when I'm sitting, because it's so wide, like the width of my shoulders is here, and I need to place I don't know. This position felt uncomfortable.
Okay, I get you. Makes perfect sense.
But this is just me being used to, bikes. This is the first scooter ever. Maybe I had too big of expectations or something. I imagine scooters are more comfortable.
We will find some other scooter that is gonna be suitable for my princess. In the meantime, princess, tell us about the looks.
Nice. I think it's nice.
From each side.
Let me take a look. Well, yes. It looks scooter from the future.
And the finishing?
Also nice. Like everything looks very neat, very tight, very smooth. It's nice. Also when you touch it.
For me, 10 out of 10. Both, really. You're paying the price.
This
Over
color
here,
also amazing.
it is like 12,000 plus, but honestly, you're getting lots of things.
Well, yes, but how come you decide for this money to take a scooter and not a bike?
You see, you're immediately getting some kind of, wind protection. You're getting everything in one package. You're getting this cruise
I
control.
have so many questions.
And you're getting big under-seat storage. I don't know if you saw over here, but there is a big
No. You
under-seat
did not
storage.
mention this one.
Oh my God, how do you open this?
Maybe later.
Not later. There is no key.
I'm trying
later.
to save you.
Save me, protect me. Cruising low speed smoothness. This bike is not having any problems. I mean, it's a scooter, so you would expect the ride to be kind of smooth and refined. And you're getting this one over here. It's very willing to go from stop immediately, and many times the rear wheel even slipped. The traction control initiated, and the way it initiated is much better than on Honda Transalp that I had, which cut all of my power. Over here, I guess with this money that you're paying, electronics are really doing proper job.
I really like the fact that it's standing alone. Like, this is so convenient.
Yeah.
Brava. Nice. This
Brava,
is like
baby.
10 out of 10.
Is this Italian word? Bravissimo.
Posh word that I use
Posh
lately.
words. Okay, tell us about the sound.
I don't know, the sound was there, but I don't have any like significant comments on the sound.
Sounds like a scooter.
Yes, it's not the deep sound, like
No,
it's just
it's just telling you it's doing something.
yes.
Based on all of these things, would you pay this money for this thing?
Well, I think it's worth the money. I don't know if I would pay it because I'm so new to this. I needed to, settle in my thoughts just to see what I think about it. But overall, I don't think it's a waste of money.
And the TFT, did you like it?
I didn't even look at it.
I looked at it because it shocked me how it's doing much better job than other TFTs. No, please, we said not now. Because there is no key.
Yes.
You forgot the key.
Later. But I already see that it's like gigantic, so.
And there is no glare. The sun is...
for my eyes.
What is good for your eyes?
Because it's like this.
Big numbers, yeah, for your eyesight, which people would think that you have great eyesight because you have big eyes, but basically
No.
she has this contact lenses. What is that inside your eyes?
Yes.
That is helping you see. She doesn't see, but she hears very good. Whenever I talk in my chin, she hears it from very far away.
This is true word from word.
I would like you to tell me about the conclusion of this bike. Who would you recommend it for?
I don't know. I know I don't even know who buys scooters. Like, guys, I don't know.
Practical people who would like something
I need
to be...
to learn something more, so please feel free to comment all about scooters. This is the topic I'm not never thought of it.
It's very practical because you can see, you can easily put your leg over, you can sit on it, you have big under-seat storage, you have all the protection, you can ride the whole year long because of all this protection.
Maybe I would recommend it to somebody that doesn't want to take the driving test for the proper bike or whatever other thing that it's needed, when you drive something. Oh, this is nice.
There's a compartment over there.
Yes, I know so little of this compartments. Yes, I think it's convenient for somebody that wants to, have a quick in and out in the traffic in the city, when it's the most crowded, and
cares about the style and has money to pay for it, right? Because you have other options, but this one is filled with stuff and it's giving you lots of things for your money. So maybe you need to be some kind of director, manager.
Well,
CEO,
when
CFO.
we take out the thing that it's, on the expensive side, probably, I don't know. I think it's a good scooter for somebody who maybe has some life experience. I think it's a very beginner friendly. Let me just try to be the rider here. What do you think?
I'm gonna be Tatiana behind. Oh my God.
Oh my God, what are you, 100 kgs?
How does it feel?
I could, take it for a ride.
Guys, I hope you liked what we presented you over here with our non-existent experience with scooters. And
I had so much fun.
me as well.
I think we should also do some quads. Like, I was never on a quad. I think that would be an amazing idea.
Until we roll over somewhere around the road. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next one.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and stay tuned.
Everything in one package, baby. Bye-bye.
Yes.